recipe. We're just trying this one out. We're going to make croissant pizza. I'll have all the ingredients already listed. I got the oven preheated at 375. And we're basically going to put together a little pizza making with the croissant dough. Okay, it's not rocket science. I just wanted to make sure I didn't have anything open. This is just mayonnaise. Oh yes, I love my mayonnaise. We're making chicken Parmesan with cheese. Well, that is cheese. Toss on a little chicken. And some tomatoes from my garden. Freshly picked and sliced. I've been craving this like you wouldn't believe. And a little bit of Parmesan. A little bit of onion. Yes, I should have sauteed it first. But it's like a fresh little pizza. Garlic. And my secret ingredient most people don't know about. Katz jelly pickle juice. It really does put a little bit of extra pizzazz on it. Hold on, I gotta check my garden to see if I have any parsley. Well, I believe I hit the wrong button, but I put my parsley on there. Sorry about that, you missed the parsley and the red pepper. But it was fresh parsley and red pepper. Can't live without it. Okay, we're gonna throw it in the oven at 375. I'll be back when it's ready. Well, there you have it. That was about 12 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool for 5, and then we'll cut it and try it. No, you can't see me. I'm so meh. I got the yuck from COVID still, so I need something to eat. Can't see me eat. You can hear me though. Okay, time will tell here. No, I don't have a fancy one. Maybe in time. Well, let's cut it with a knife. Oh, it didn't stick. That's nice. I will say this. I could have cooked it a tad bit longer. Yeah, so it browned a little more on the top, but you saw I didn't put a lot of cheese on there. So I didn't want to burn my mayonnaise. My onions I should have done ahead of time. You just cut a piece out of here. I don't have much of an appetite these days. But I would definitely say to do the onions ahead of time. Cook them a little bit. I wanted my fresh tomatoes on here, so I didn't care about cooking them. You know, this is like a quick pizza, but I guess I should do it the right way. Yep. Well, I have to say this. See, it really could have cooked a little bit longer, because it should be crispy like that. So I don't have any crunch to give you. It's an interesting flavor combination. Very interesting flavor combination. Well, I wouldn't put the garlic on next time. But other than that, even though it didn't cook as well as I'd like it to. See, I can go ahead and throw it in a little bit longer. I would say 15 minutes maybe would have been better. But all in all, it's got a nice flaky crust. I like that. And it had an interesting flavor. Very interesting flavor. So, if you want to bring a little bit of Katz Daily home, have yourself a little pizza. It looks better like that. There you have it. You have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. I'll speak to you later. Bye.